Hello, everybody. I'm happy to be here. Thank you for the invitation. And I will tell something about the technologies we use in Pilsen. So again, my name is Tomáš Cholinský, and I work in Správa Informačních Technologií města Plzně. It's our Czech name. We don't translate it to English. A little bit about our organization. So we innovate Pilsen. With the help of modern technologies, we make life easier, we develop talents, we inspire businesses. Together, we create a smart city. So we are the Information Technology Administration of the city of Pilsen, SIT-MP. Thanks to many years of experience and knowledge of public services, SIT-MP comes up with many technological innovations that support the development of a smart city and facilitate the daily life of its citizens and employees of city organizations. Our activities based on three pillars: making life easier, developing talents, and inspiring businesses. In this way, SITMEP can contribute to the reputation of Pilsen as a smart city, where it's easy to live and do business, where people are well educated, and the municipal authority is effective. We think that to have technologies is great, but for us, it's very important, the education. So we have the special ecosystem, which we develop talents, we inspire businesses. SIT-MP provides comprehensive technical education, builds a community and develops technical thinking and skills in order to have more pupils and students in Pilsen who are interested in technology, get higher level or technical education, who choose to study at local schools. So mostly it's children from primary schools, and then they move to be older to high schools. And we support the establishment of technology-oriented companies and attract the existing ones to move to Pilsen by improving the business environment. We support the employment of local talents and develop the businesses potential for the future of the city. We develop talents, Robot Center. It's a place where we can where we have small children, how I told you, the primary school. So you can see on the picture, and increase children's interest in technical fields in the form of leisure education, workshops, urban camps, competitions, educate its lectures to integrate digital technologies into teaching, develops computer thinking and digital literacy, organizes excursions for school within robotics, electronics, natural sciences, etc., organizes competition for students and pedagogies, participates in the introduction of robotics, teaching at Pilsen and primary school. When the children, they are older, like 15, 16, they move to the SIT port where we inspire to businesses and mostly works with 16 plus guys, girls community and cooperates with other organizations, organizes events such as hackathon, startup weekends, workshops, etc. Provides quality facilities based on principle of co-working, hub, workshops, and laboratories for technical experimentations. Cooperates with secondary schools and university in the Pilsen region, supports the technical education and use of IoT network in teaching. Implements unique projects such as Pilsen Cube, which is student satellite, and Drone Up, which is programming and innovation related to drones. And we popularize modern technologies, Drone Fest. It's a festival with drones, and Innovujeme Plzeň. On the picture, you can see a guys from the national team, Czech Republic, cybersecurity. We inspire the businesses, startups. How are the startups created? With the challenges for the community of 16 plus, SITPOR presents real topics related to the problems of the city, its organization of the operation of commercial companies in the region. Project teams design solution and then implement selected ideas. The team members draw on valuable practical experience, financial reward, and last but not at least, a product prototype which then can succeed in the market with. The city or other important partners to become the first important client reference. On the right side, you can see some brands of the startups. Smart festivals. During the years, it means every year we organize two big festivals. One is Drone Fest. It's one of the biggest festival with the drones. There is a FPV race. There is many companies. There is very famous speakers, and it's for one weekend. The second big festival, it's Innovujeme Plzeň, where we can meet the innovators from our region, and we normally invite people from high school and university. Now, I would like to say something about smart technologies we use in Pilsen. The first is digital city twin. It means 3D city model, 3D buildings in LOD 2.3, digital surface and turn models, regular updates. The primary use case can be like urban planning, traffic and noise modeling, safety. Horizon 2020, DUET, European Union Research and Innovation Project, Pilsen, Athens, Flanders involved. In the right side, you can see the map of our city of Pilsen. 3D buildings. It's detailed representation of selection buildings. For example, you can see the real buildings. Tech Tower, it's up one, it's a place for startups. Cathedral of San Bartolome, it's in our square, and stadium on more in the future. It can be used in many areas: tourism, future construction visualization, fire and safety simulations, ready to real-time digital twin of a building, traffic and noise pollution. 3D buildings for use of simulations, approximation of existing buildings, used for emergency situation simulation, fire and safety, crowd simulation, etc. On the picture, you can see the football stadium of our club, Viktoria Plzeň, where we would like to make a scenario with the firefighters, with the drones, and with the people to see how it works when it's some problem. In Pilsen, we use satellite images. We are interested in the environment. We own analysis of satellite data of the city of Pilsen, which work with a view of temperature, greenery, water, and air. You can see on the pictures the map of the city. The green is grass, and more about you can see on the link which is there on the presentation. Horizon 2020 projects. We have some European Union projects. We are partners. Polyvisu, road network, load monitoring and traffic modeling solution. DUET Pilsen 3D, city model in relation to urban planning and pollution modeling. Bellerophon, use of drones to support integrated rescue service. Sky Edge, use of 5G networks and distributed computing, edge computing in relation drones. As for all cities, increasing security in cities through model crisis situation, use of digital twins and drones. Power Protect, increase of cybersecurity in relation to critical infrastructure, energy, water, supply, transport. Now I would like to say something about our drones. Drones are unmanned air vehicles. We use the drones for the city to help provide data technology experience to students who are interested in developing application for the unnamed industry, looks for areas where drones can be used, test scenarios for their deployment and transfer know-how to the commercial sector, carry out development, research, and participate in prestigious European programs, strengthen the internet unmanned air vehicles, provide the unnamed aeroscope, the industry certificate program in cooperation with the University of Bohemia, support the drone education in secondary school in the region. Here, some pictures with the drones, with the project, with the activities, we use them. You can see the firefighters, you can see some problems with the fans of the football. It's the middle picture down. You can see when the house is in a fire. So it's mostly the projects where we use our drones. But the bigger projects, we can say it's inspection of bridges. It's specialization in inspection of bridge structures, technology units, production and storage halls. The results are orthophoto and 3D models using photogrammetry or laser scanning. We use our own application. And the second project is integrated rescue services. We are part of them. So as a part of the city of Pilsen, drones work closely with RES and the crisis management of the city region. The drones represent part of the RES. They have been already tested in various scenarios. Some European projects, we are a part of them. As for all cities projects aims to make cities, infrastructure service, ICT systems and Internet of Things more resilient while promoting intelligence and information sharing among security stakeholders. Cooperation with Bilbao from Spain and Trikala from Greece. The second European projects where we use drones is Bellerophon, project in cooperation with other partners from the consortium, focused on effective management of extraordinary events with IRS, large-scale fires, earthquake, landslides. And that's all. Thank you for your attention.